Go parallel to the parked car and keep 1 meter distance from parked car. Look for the tail light of the parked car from the back window of your car. Turn steering one time to right side only and take car back until you see the same tail light of the parked car behind the mirror of your car. Turn steering all the way to the left and bring your car back. And here you go. Your car is parallel parked. Let's go and do parallel parking between the two cones and go beside the first cone. Keep 1 meter distance from the cone and look for the first cone from the back window like this. See cone in the back window. Then turn one time to right side. Only one time, okay? And then come back and see the same cone behind the right mirror. Like this. Yes, like this. And then turn all the way to left. And here you go. Your car is parked between the two cones like this. That's it. That's a perfect parallel parking between the two cones.